All right, to help you on your homework this week, we're going to go through that first example together again. So notice that step 1, they show us is to multiply by the decimal. You can still set up a proportion if you want to, but this is kind of an easier and quicker way to get your discount. Now they had to round it to 2 decimal places for money. So notice how that 5 bumped up the 9, which also bumped up the second 9, which bumped up the next one to a 2. So the discount is rounded to about $2. Remember, a discount is subtracted from the original price to get our sale price. So the sale price was $17.95. On the example down below, it says that the discount was 25% instead of 10% off the original price. How much money would Sonia have saved? So we can set up a proportion, and that would look like X over $19.95 equals 25 over 100. We'd get the same answer if we would do 19.95 times 0.25 as well. Now, either method, we will get $4.99. So $4.99 is how much she would have saved. If they would have asked us also for the sale price, we would need to subtract $4.99 from $19.95. So on some of the questions on your homework, they're going to ask you for the sale price. So that means you'll need to also subtract to get your sale price. So watch for that to see what the final answer is looking for. So that would give us $14.96 for the sale price. Okay, try the examples on the second part of your page, and there's also a bonus box as well.